What's up guys? Welcome to Hakim Bot Gaming. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Mortal Kombat 11 on your PC or laptop. And also we will see how to purchase PC games from Steam easily without hassles or payment issues. Let's do it without wasting any more time. Alright, when you Google Mortal Kombat 11 download on your favorite web browser, you'll be able to see that in the first link, MK11 is available on Steam. You can go ahead and click on the link. It opens a web page for MK11 on Steam. Most of you might already know that Steam is a PC app like the Play Store or App Store where you can download most of the games. Steam has both free and paid games for PC. To download MK11, first we have to download and install the Steam client on PC. To do that, you can just click on the green Install Steam button on the top of this screen. Next, you would see a blue Install Steam button. You can go ahead and click on it. This downloads the Steam setup file. Then you could open the downloads folder and double click on the steam.exe file to install Steam. Click on yes if it prompts to confirm. As you can see, I have already installed Steam app on my PC, so I'll just double click on its icon to open it. Here you can see that Steam summer sale offer is going on right now. It will be available till 10th July. You could explore and find that most games are available for discounts. Now here in the Steam search box, we will type Mortal. You can see in the results that Mortal Kombat 11 is available for purchase just for 269 Indian rupees, which would be around $4 US. Let's click on it. As you can see that it's showing Play Now button for me because I have already purchased and installed Mortal Kombat 11. But to you, it would show as Add to Cart. Something like this. For example, I'll be buying and installing the Orange Box game bundle on Steam to show you the steps. For those who don't know, this bundle has the most top rated old but gold games. One of my all-time favorites, that is Half-Life 2. Then when we add the game to the cart and proceed to checkout, we will be asked to fill out the payment method, debit or credit card details and so on. Which is a lot of work and a headache. Also, there are chances of online gateway payment failures. Trust me, I have experienced those. You don't want to face that, do you? So the best hassle-free option I found is to add money digitally to our Steam wallets by buying the digital Steam wallet cards from Amazon. You can easily get them by opening Amazon website and searching for Steam wallet cards. Here in the search results, you could see that some cards cost more than the actual value. For instance, this 199 rupees card would just give us 99 rupees on the Steam wallet, which is like paying double the price. So to save your money, you should look for the cards which mention Steam Wallet e-gift cards with instant delivery. These cards will give us exactly the same amount of money in our Steam wallet as we spend on buy them. And the Steam card with the voucher code will be sent to the email we provide. Next, you could select any amount you wish to buy. I'll be selecting 250. Next, enter the recipient's email. Then add your name in the From box. After that, you could click on Buy It Now. Then we have to sign in on Amazon if we haven't, and proceed to checkout. As you could see that there was no UPI instant payment option available on Amazon's desktop website, so I launched Amazon mobile app on my phone. The steps are same to buy the Steam Wallet e-gift cards. As you could see, I bought the 250 rupees Steam card using PhonePe. It's an Indian online instant payment service. You could use any payment service which is convenient in your region. The order was placed successfully. Next, we can open Gmail and check for the email from Amazon which says, "Your Steam gift card is here." Open it and copy the code. Then we come back to Steam. Here in the top left, click on Games. Then click on Redeem a Steam wallet code from the drop-down list. It would take us to the Steam's Redeem with a wallet code page. As you could see, I just have 13 rupees in my Steam wallet. Next, you could just go ahead and paste the code in the box which you have copied from the email. and click on continue. As you can see, we have successfully redeemed the code. You could close the pop-up window. After that, if we go to the top right corner in Steam and click on account, then click on view my wallet to verify the payment. You could see that the amount is now added to my Steam wallet. Now you can buy any Steam games directly with your Steam wallet. Next, we go to the Steam apps homepage and click on the small green view cart icon in the top right of the screen. If you recall, I had already added the orange box bundle in my Steam cart, and now when we click on continue to payment, it automatically selects our Steam wallet as the payment option. Next, we just have to enter a billing address if you haven't done it yet. Then click on agree on the terms checkbox and click on purchase. As you can see, it displays the purchase receipt for the successful transaction. Congratulations! Now you would have the game for life as it is owned digitally. You could reinstall a PC game purchased from Steam if you uninstalled it somehow. Next, we click on install content here. Sometimes it might take a while. As you can see, it pops up to install the game we just bought. You could go ahead, choose the drive and click the blue install button. Next, we could see that the game files are being downloaded in the bottom side here. Click on it to view the downloading progress. Once the game is downloaded and installed successfully, we could go in the Steam's library and click on the game from the list and then click on the green play button to launch it. For instance, I'm going to launch Portal game from the orange box bundle, which you saw me purchase moments ago. Similarly, we could go back to the Steam's library and launch Mortal Kombat 11 or any other game installed on Steam. MK11 is one of the top fighting games ever in my humble opinion. You wouldn't be looking to download it if you don't love it. If you find this information helpful, you could support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I heartily appreciate it.
Conquer. Fight local.
Scorpion.
Thank you for watching. That's it for now. Peace.